We're at the bicycle space in DC going on a group bike ride. Hello. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, these are the people who are going with us. Are you so excited?
Excited.
Yes. Yes. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna yell at random people on the road and stuff. So this thing starts at 8 o'clock and we're about to leave, and look at this guy's bike, it's awesome. Lights. Oh yeah, and there's some devils here too. It's like a theme thing, you dress up as an angel or devil, but I didn't have any notice because I came here from school. But not a lot of people are dressed up. There's some people over there. We started on this adventure and they said it ends in 2 hours. But I can handle it. We just passed the monument in the Capitol. The Capitol's over there. We have this guy on a bike blaring music and it's awesome. Mom, isn't this so much fun? This is so awesome. Oh no, it's a hill. Pedal harder. Where are we going? Oh my gosh. Mom, I almost died on that hill. That was a disaster. No, because I was filming at the same time.
You said climb, and then all of a sudden it took off the inside.
I know, I wasn't prepared. Oh man. Oh, I thought there was a car behind me, but someone has a really bright light. Titanic. We're taking a break right now. It's probably too dark to even see me. Now I have a spotlight. Mom, we're thugs.
Thug life.
I said thug life.
Thug life. I heard F-U-G life.
Thug life.
Thug life. All right.
We didn't stop for the stop sign. Let's not get pulled over. We're gonna get a ticket. Whoa!
Melanie!
I almost hit my mom. This is Nationals Park. I've actually never been here before.
National Stadium.
National Stadium. Well, park, whatever. Baseball.
I think National Stadium.
Who knows? And there's the Capitol over there. And cars. Hopefully we don't. We almost got run over by this lady. Alright, it's freestyle bike time. Basically just go through the pillars and not die. Michael! This is my best friend Michael. This is how we found out about this thing. There's so many people on the side of the road who just give us the weirdest look. People either smile and wave or look like, what's going on? People on bikes. Hi! Invading the Capitol. What if they think we're a terrorist organization on bikes?
Yeah.
We're gonna bomb this place with our bikes. Yeah, we're the bike. I shouldn't say that too loud. Hey, we're at the Verizon Center. This is a good song. Woo! Chinatown. Oh. Taxi, taxi, taxi.
Social.
iStreet Social, woo!
That one, yes.
The iStreet Social, everyone. The iStreet bike party. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get run over by a bus. Chinatown! iStreet Social! Woo! iStreet Social! I know, we're getting lost from the group. We got stuck at a red light. I know. Oh no, there's a bus. I almost got run over. Alright, here we go. We're back! Did we like lose people? This seems smaller. Yay! Success.
So hopefully all you guys can come out next week. It's going to be a big thing. I'm going to do a huge marketing blitz. Trying to let a lot of people know this is the last one and it's going to be a lot of fun. So tell your friends.
Yeah, everyone watching this.
Tell your friends, come Thursday, the 27th.
What's the theme? Just costumes?
Murder mystery?
Oh,
Yeah, wear a costume. It's a costume contest and there's a murder mystery. You
I think
gotta
I'm just
solve
gonna
it.
wear something random.
There will be cupcakes.
Alright, everyone watching this, if you live in DC, come. I'll put the information below this video, so you should definitely come.